Hi and welcome. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum to two beautiful children, and I'm an online entrepreneur. I have my own online business that I'm building. It's a global business around the world. And I'm also a coach for women to be able to build their businesses online. More importantly, I'm a mentor, I'm a strategist, and I'm also an accountability coach. I help women to move. I help women to navigate through life's challenges, as well as implement effective, proven strategies to be able to help them to get to the next level. So if you're wanting to go to the next level, if you're wanting to learn what's new and what's current, and you want to know exactly what it takes to be able to grow your business, to scale your business, and to retain your business, keep watching me, keep following me, subscribe to my channel, and let's lock arms together and let me help you win too. Take care.